welcome! Today I want to show you how I got from this to this. If you like this, then keep on watching. Starting off with foundation, I'm using the good old trusty Estee Lauder Double Wear, and I warm it up on the back of my hand. Apply it on my skin with a brush through swiping motions, just to kind of make sure that it's evenly distributed on my face, and then I'm finishing off with tapping motions to make sure it will have that airbrush effect. For my brows, I'm going with the Got2b hair gel and Anastasia 7B brush, the amount of gel on my brush, and then I'm gonna let it sit. Going back to my base, continuing with Shiseido concealer, and I apply it directly on my face on the areas that I would like to highlight, like the inner corners of my eyes, the outer corners of my eyes, the sides of my nose, the top of my nose, a little bit on the chin and forehead. Taking the Smashbox concealer brush, I'm tapping the concealer onto my skin. I really take my time with this, and then the excess I like to spread it across my lids. Taking the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour Cream, I warm it up on the back of my hand once again, loading my brush and apply it little by little on my cheekbone, creating that soft, bronzy, sometimes blush effect. A little bit of nose contour and blend everything together, because it might look good on the camera, but in real life it will look a little bit funny. Perfecting the shape here a little bit, not necessary, but I feel like it gives a nicer structure. And I'm blending once again. Blend, blend, blend. Going back to my brows, I usually do my brows before everything, but of course this time, knowing that I'm filming, I forgot. So I have to do them now and have to be very careful. And the reason I like to do them before is because, as you will see here, the brow product might mix in with the foundation or the concealer, and it will have some flakes. I don't know if you can see them, but in real life they were definitely there. Taking Charlotte Tilbury airbrush finishing powder, I'm loading the brush and dust off the excess, and then slowly work it into my skin. I like to use smaller brushes because, I guess for my mental comfort, that the brush will reach any smaller corners of my face, like the inner corners of my eyes, the nose area, hourglass blush in nude exposure, pastel brush. I just love this brush. I have it for so long, and I'm applying once again through tapping motion, and then just make sure the edges are blended. In Cosmetics Divine Skies eyeshadow palette, taking the matte brown and create a wing liner with it. I just love this formula. It's so easy to work with this, and it's probably my most used eyeshadow for doing this kind of eyeliner style. Taking back Charlotte Tilbury finishing powder and just brighten that area to make the eyeliner more, let's say, obvious and finessed. What's up, beauty? Watch me mascara. Working the product into my lashes. I'm being extra careful because my lashes are so soft and I always end up making a mess on my lid, like I did today. And Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Mink. Such a beautiful shade, and the formula is so buttery, doesn't tug the skin. I just love to overline my lips with this one. It's so easy. Feel the lips and then finesse the edges. Not necessary, but I guess I have an obsession with this step. Taking Charlotte Tilbury Hot Lips lipstick in Dance Floor Princess. This is in the kissing formula and it has a satin finish. It's so hydrating on the lips. The shade is really pretty. I just love this lipstick. Taking back the lip liner, not necessary, but as I said, I think I'm obsessed. Next, lift and snatch brow pen, and this is my face, realizing I did not record doing my brows. I just hate it when I think I'm recording, but I'm actually not. So I was trying to find some sparse areas to fill them in, just to kind of show you at least a little bit how I use this. Sorry. Half magic, dew lock, setting mist, just drenching myself in this mist and then let it dry down. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoy and see you next time. Bye.